this video, I'll be showing you how to make Facebook dating profile visible. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's a few different things that we're going to go ahead and do, whether this is your first time on Facebook dating, or maybe you've previously had a Facebook dating account, but you want to go back on it. I'll show you exactly how to do it. So there are a few requirements. Firstly, you have to be at least 18 plus and live in a supported country. Your Facebook account has to be at least 30 days old and in a good standing, so no recent community standard violations. And then also go over to your Facebook permissions and ensure location is set to allow while using. And once you've done with that, all you want to do is press the three lines on the top left, and then you should see dating as one of the options. Where you press see more, you should see dating right here. In my instance, it's this fourth option right here, and it's available to me. However, if it's not showing or anything like that, then what you want to go ahead and do is go over to your navigation. So go over and scroll down, and you're going to see settings and privacy as one of the options. Then go over to settings, which is going to be at the very top. And then once you're here, go ahead and scroll until you find navigation bar. So I'm going to just go ahead and keep scrolling down. You're going to see a lot of different options. And all we want to do is go over to tab bar right here. It might be navigation bar depending on what you're using. Then go over to customize the bar. Now, if you see dating, go ahead and switch that and switch it to pin instead. And then once I switch it to pin, and it's going to show automatically, and it's going to say dating pinned like so, and that's going to be in the tab bar for sure. Now, once you're done with that, go over to home, go to the top left and select dating. Now, if you've never used it, it's going to say welcome to Facebook dating. It's going to show new ways to date, 100% free and privacy first. So then go ahead and click get started. It's going to show that it's a space for dating. It's going to say build your profile. So enter your name, age, and gender. Go ahead and press next. It's going to ask who you want to date. So, you can also do who you want to be friends with. Go ahead and press next. Scroll down. It's going to show you how you use specific data. Then just choose your height and everything. Then go ahead and press next. You can skip this if you don't have children or you don't want to say anything. You can skip a bunch of these things. It's going to ask why you're dating. Go ahead and press next. Then choose your best photo. Press next again. And then it's going to say ready to review details. Then go ahead and press confirm like so. And then it's just going to be setting up your account for you. Now, this might take a few minutes depending on what you chose and everything, or it could just take a few seconds as well. It also just depends on your internet. Now it shows you some rules. So then once you're done with those rules and you've read them and everything, go ahead and press next. And then that's it. You're going to be on your Facebook dating application. And what you could also do is once you're here, once you're here, you want to go over to the general tab and then ensure your account status where it says take a break. If that is enabled, go ahead and disable that because you might have had your dating profile for a while. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.